Because the challenge with staying as a generalist, Rex, is that I think that those are some of the data science jobs that are going to be most affected by the use of AI tools at some point, right? Like, there's pretty good AI tools for code. There's pretty good AI tools that are doing a lot of the EDA for you. There's eventually going to be a dominant player for creating visualizations for you, right? That we're not quite there yet, but that's coming, right? So it just depends, Rex. I mean, like, yeah, I understand the appeal of somebody who says, hey, all I want to do is modeling and I'm okay if it's NLP or something else. But yeah, but I think you're kind of like, you're risking being swallowed up by AI tools. And then on top of that, the fields themselves are still changing, right? Like, it's hard to say that you're going to be a generalist between NLP and computer vision. Like, both of those fields are still very actively growing, like from a research side, I mean, right? So it's super hard to keep up with both of those. Like, at some point, you'd have to say, nope, all I'm going to do is NLP. And there's always new research coming out in NLP, right? Same thing for computer vision. So I think the safer path would be to specialize, but still want to move up into a lead role, a senior data scientist role, a chief data scientist role, right? Like, to move up more to not just the coding side, but to be able to do more of the stakeholder management and the planning and the strategy and things like that. That to me seems like a more viable long-term plan. Otherwise, I think it's too risky to get swallowed up by AI or just get bored, right? What you're doing now may not be interesting to you 5-10 years from now, right?